Oh guys, good morning, good morning. Mga on ka ninyo. Gikan ako sa akong wara-wara guys. Naglagot ko kay nag-order ko dito ka ng eggs, bacon, and cheese sandwich. Dito sa Dunkin Donuts. Pero hindi ako na satisfied kasi the cheese inside ay hindi siya nag-melt. Hindi siya na-melted. Oo. Tapos yung bagel ko hindi siya masyadong toasted. Oh. Ang dami ko talagang reklamo, no? So anyway, that's me. I always complain about my food, guys. So, I'm a complainer when it comes to my food. That's it. But thank you, Lord. I'm still eating breakfast.